Sick of the 9-to-5 grind? Want to ditch the city and hit the open road? We're talking epic camper vans, rugged overlanders, and everything in between. Let's dive into the world of adventure on wheels and find your perfect ride. EarthRoamer. Tired of the daily grind and craving adventure? The EarthRoamer is more than just a vehicle. It's your passport to freedom. This isn't a camper van. It's a fully equipped, off-grid home designed for explorers. Wake up with sound of birds chirping instead of your alarm. Also, imagine yourself brewing fresh coffee while enjoying stunning views that most people only see in photos. With an EarthRoamer, this dream becomes a reality. It's perfect for those who love to explore but hate to sacrifice comfort. No more packing and unpacking for every trip. Your clothes, kitchenware, and even your bed are always with you. You can go camping, road tripping, or even off-grid overlanding without missing a beat. Whether you're a retired couple looking to see the country or a young family seeking outdoor adventures, the EarthRoamer offers unmatched versatility and luxury. But this luxury comes with a hefty price tag. EarthRoamers are meticulously handcrafted and packed with cutting-edge technology, making them a significant investment. While the freedom and adventure it offers are undeniably enticing, it's essential to weigh the cost against your budget. After all, the dream of exploring the world in style is fantastic, but it's crucial to ensure it fits within your financial plan. Is the EarthRoamer worth it? For those who can afford it, it's an unparalleled adventure. For the rest of us, it's a dream to aspire to. Rossmönster Ex Camper. The Rossmönster Ex Camper is your perfect escape. This Scandinavian-designed marvel combines minimalist aesthetics with rugged practicality. When you step out of your camper to be greeted by breathtaking natural beauty. The Rossmönster EX isn't just a camper, it's a gateway to a more mindful and sustainable lifestyle. Its compact design makes it easy to explore hidden gems, while its interior offers cozy comfort for relaxation. Built to withstand the elements, this camper is your reliable companion for unforgettable adventures. While the Rossmönster EX offers a compelling blend of simplicity and functionality, it's important to consider your budget. The price tag for a camper of this quality can be a significant investment. While the allure of exploring nature and style is undeniable, it's crucial to weigh the cost against your financial goals. Is the Rossmönster X worth it? For those seeking a minimalist, eco-friendly adventure, it's an excellent choice. For others, it might be a dream for another time. Global XRS 7200. It's a mobile palace designed for those who demand the absolute best. This six-wheeled behemoth is the epitome of luxury overlanding, combining rugged capability with unparalleled comfort. Imagine conquering the most challenging terrains while enjoying amenities that rival a five-star hotel. From its imposing exterior to its opulent interior, the Global XRS 7200 is a statement of power and sophistication. Imagine cooking a gourmet meal in a state-of-the-art kitchen as you gaze out at breathtaking landscapes. Or perhaps you prefer to unwind in the luxurious living area, surrounded by modern comforts. This is more than a camper, it's a lifestyle upgrade. However, such opulence comes with a substantial price tag. Owning a Global XRS 7200 is an investment in both adventure and luxury. While the allure of exploring the world in ultimate comfort is undeniable, it's important to weigh the cost against your budget and priorities. Is the Global XRS 7200 worth it? EarthCruiser. The EarthCruiser was more than a vehicle. It was a dream realized for adventurers seeking the extraordinary. These meticulously crafted overland rigs were built to conquer the world's most remote corners while offering the comforts of home. When you wake up in a breathtaking wilderness, stepping out of your EarthCruiser to greet the day with a hot cup of coffee and a sense of boundless freedom. These weren't just campers. They were mobile luxury suites, equipped with everything from gourmet kitchens to plush living spaces. They were homes that moved, allowing you to explore the planet without ever sacrificing comfort. It was a testament to human ingenuity and a love for the open road. Sadly, the EarthCruiser is no longer with us. Its absence leaves a void in the overlanding community. For those who experience the magic of an EarthCruiser, the memories live on. And for those who never had the chance, the legend continues to inspire. Unimog Camper. So, you want to go big, right? A Unimog Camper is your ticket to total off-road freedom. This thing is a beast, built to handle whatever you throw at it. When you're cruising through a desert, climbing a mountain, or splashing through a river, all while having a comfy place to crash at the end of the day. A Unimog Camper is like having a home that can go anywhere. You've got space to stretch out, cook up a storm, and even take a shower. It's the kind of rig that turns camping into a luxury vacation. Sure, it's a big investment, but if you're dreaming of epic adventures and total self-sufficiency, a Unimog Camper might just be your perfect match. Let's face it, it's not for everyone. But if you're the kind of person who wants to go where few others dare, a Unimog Camper is your adventure passport. Mercedes Sprinter 4x4. The Mercedes Sprinter is the Goldilocks of the camper van world. Not too big, not too small, and just right for adventure. With its rugged capabilities and spacious interior, it's perfect for those who want to explore off the beaten path without sacrificing comfort. When crew down a coastal highway, the salty breeze in your hair, or tackling a dirt road to a secluded campsite, the Sprinter handles it all with ease. Inside, you'll find a blank canvas ready to be transformed into your dream camper. Whether you want a minimalist setup or a full-blown home on wheels, the Sprinter can accommodate. It's a practical choice that doesn't sacrifice style. With its sleek lines and Mercedes-Benz pedigree, it's a van that turns heads. Plus, you get the reliability and safety that come with a trusted brand. So, if you're looking for a versatile, capable, and stylish base for your adventures, the Mercedes Sprinter is definitely worth considering. Adrenalin Industries 2022 F550. Want a rig that can handle anything you throw at it, but still has all the comforts of home? Look no further than the Adrenalin Industries. This beast is built for those who crave wide-open spaces and crave a little luxury while they're at it. Imagine rolling up to a killer campsite in this bad boy. You've got all the gear to handle whatever Mother Nature throws your way, and when it's time to relax, you're chilling in style. It's like a luxury apartment on wheels, but tougher. Now let's be real, this thing isn't cheap. But if you're serious about overlanding and want something that'll turn heads and conquer trails, the Adrenalin F550 is worth checking out. GXV Hilt by Storyteller. The Storyteller. Overland GXV Hilt is more than just a camper van. It's a meticulously crafted adventure platform designed for those who demand the best. This is a vehicle that blends rugged capability with luxurious comfort, making it the perfect companion for your next expedition. The Hilt offers a level of comfort and sophistication rarely found in the overlanding world. Its spacious interior, equipped with modern amenities, transforms long journeys into relaxing retreats. From the moment you step inside, you'll appreciate the attention to detail. High-quality materials, thoughtful layouts, and innovative features come together to create an exceptional living space. Whether you're cooking a gourmet meal in the fully equipped kitchen or unwinding in the plush living area, the Hilt provides a sanctuary amidst the wild. Of course, such a premium product comes with a premium price tag, but for those who seek the ultimate overlanding experience, the GXV Hilt is an investment in unforgettable adventures. The Hilt is more than a vehicle. It's a statement of your adventurous spirit and your desire for the finer things in life. X-Overland Nordic Series EP8. The X-Overland Nordic Series EP8 is more than just a vehicle. It's a statement of intent. Built to conquer the harshest environments, this rig is a testament to engineering prowess and a passion for exploration. Imagine traversing icy landscapes, fording rivers, and climbing steep inclines, all while enjoying the comforts of home. Designed for those who crave the ultimate adventure, the EP8 offers a perfect blend of rugged capability and luxurious amenities. Its spacious interior, equipped with cutting-edge technology, ensures comfort and convenience, even in the most remote locations. From its robust chassis to its advanced off-road suspension, the EP8 is engineered to exceed expectations. It's not just a vehicle, it's a platform for extraordinary journeys. The Overland Nordic Series EP8 is more than a mode of transportation. It's a gateway to a world of endless possibilities. MDC XL 15 Tier 4E. So you want something that's both a luxury apartment and a rugged off-roader. The MDC XL might be your jam. It's like a fancy camper on steroids. When you're parked in the middle of nowhere, cooking up a storm in your kitchen and then hopping in the shower. That's the life, right? This thing is built tough so you can take it anywhere. But it's also got all the comforts of home. You know, like a comfy bed, a fridge, and maybe even a TV. It's perfect for those who want to escape the city without roughing it too much. So, there you have it. A glimpse into the world of overlanding. Whether you're dreaming of a minimalist setup or a luxury escape, there's a rig out there for everyone. Remember, the journey is as important as the destination. So pack your bags, hit the road, and let the adventure begin. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos.